concentrated me to the exclusion of everything else.
Alright, people, Buckshot Chief here. I'm gonna show y'all motherfuckers with real followers up real quick. But the first method I'm gonna show y'all, you may not always get real followers because half the time these people are bots. So essentially what you use is hashtags that use hashtag follow for follow and use hashtags that conclude to your subject where you're posting about to yourself. If you use Snapchat, hashtag selfie, hashtag selfies, hashtag your location, hashtag what part of town you're in, or if you're in the city, that is. I'd use hashtag North Las Vegas. But, or, if you think you're a hashtag model, or a hashtag late for like, a hashtag spam for spam, that's a good head start on how to get your Instagram up and big. And I recommend y'all use the dots. Y'all write down y'all caption, and then y'all press the, I can't remember what it's called on here, but when you use it, it goes a line down. You'll go a line down, press a period, go that line down again, press a period, go all the way down so people don't see your hashtags. It looks much more nicer, it's more pleasing. Generally, people think in the first place is think, oh, this guy's desperate, or this guy wants attention, or wherever the case is. The dots hide it. No one clicks the dots nowadays. They see the caption and they conclude that's it. It looks more pleasing to the eyes. They don't see the hashtags. So that's the first method I'm gonna show y'all the two more last methods, and that'll conclude my 3-minute video. Okay, mister. I see who got public cameras. I'm gonna show you how my motherfucking do it. I'm like, how you get your followers up so quick? Like, these people you don't even know. Well, it's called bombarding. You bombard a whole area, and people just assume they know you. People assume they know you. They start following you. They're like, oh, she clearly or he clearly knows him, so I'm gonna go follow him back. I got the charisma for it. I'm saying how I do it. Yeah, then look at his fucking private account. Holy shit. Alright. Okay. The second method I want to introduce y'all is, I call this the base method. It's when they have a public profile or they accept your follow request, and if they follow back, that's a really good sign. That's a good head start. So essentially what you do is you go on their followers list, and then you follow everybody that piques your eye. And by doing that, it creates a domino effect. Meaning, if they follow you, if the person follows you back, everyone assumes that person knows you in some shape or form. Most people assume, oh yeah, these two must be talking. So essentially what they do is they follow back that, or if they're like a new kid in the school, a new kid at the block, new kid at work, whatever the case is, people think, oh shit, this person's new. So we gotta follow him, check him out. Meanwhile, you're wherever the fuck you are, doing your own motherfucking thing, not knowing any of these people. But yeah. One last tip I'm telling you guys is to use locations. Search up locations. If you go to high school, search up that high school. If you want to get a bigger base from other high schools, if you want to be a local celebrity, then my advice is to search up the high schools in your area and go follow them. Follow people from university. Follow people from campuses and schools. That is if you're in the age range. If not, it's just plain creepy. Or another thing you can use is search up your town, or search up nearby towns, or you search up in Denver, search up in Greeley, search up in Fort Morgan, search up in Las Vegas, wherever you are, search up those places, and you see people that post there, and you can follow them, and you can start the process of doing it all over again and getting your base big, following their followers. I hope this 3-minute video helped you guys out.